My controller has been designed to work alongside a game in Unity called Cut the Wire. The purpose of the controller is to tap the relevant RFID card based on the colour of the NeoPixel ring. My controller is made up of three main components: the Arduino Uno, a 24 LED Adafruit NeoPixel ring, and an RFID card reader. I had originally intended to use a trackball as part of my controller so that the player can move around the map and find bombs for themselves. The NeoPixel ring would have changed colour depending on how close the player was to finding one of the bombs, and then it would have changed colour to whichever wire needed to be cut. However, due to unforeseen circumstances, I wasn't able to collect the component from my accommodations parcel room. I instead adapted the way my game would be played and simplified the game so that the NeoPixel ring would light up one of four colours, indicating which wire needed to be cut. The ring will light up for 15 seconds at the start of the game before moving on to the next colour, which will be randomly chosen. The player will have 15 seconds to pick the right card to tap against the RFID reader. If the user chooses the correct card, this will increase their score, and if they tap the wrong card or run out of time, they will lose points and the light will continue on to the next colour. The scoring system for my game was also a challenge which I came across. I originally intended however many seconds the player had left to make their move would be how many points they would gain. However, I had issues with that, so I changed it to just adding 5 points every time they tapped the right card. Another issue which I came across whilst building my controller was that if you tapped the card for a short amount of time, the RFID tag won't always be read, which then wouldn't give a string to be sent to the Unity project to be checked to see if the user tapped the right card or not. So sometimes you may have had to tap the card twice or hold the card down for longer.